Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today's subject is shaving cream. Each time you shave your face, you are cutting up to 25,000 hairs from your beard. The hair on your face is particularly wiry and tough, but the skin on your face is some of the most sensitive skin on your body. It's soft, smooth, and malleable. How do we soften that coarse whisker so it's more pliable for shaving? By using a good quality shaving cream or gel. In addition to providing lubrication while we shave, so those pesky blades don't get stuck. These products also help protect fragile razor-burned faces by adding an extra layer between blade and epidermis, like armor against sandpaper abrasion. Have you ever shaved without shaving cream? Shaving cream is a great way to moisturize your hair and skin. It's so much easier on the face. A dry shave can be extremely painful, not just for yourself, but also because it signals discomfort in the form of itching and irritation, which may lead to acne breakouts over time. If you liked this video, please make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online Barber College. You can visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.